Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own VPN. Yes, now you need not pay any VPN provider to enjoy your Netflix content or trying to access banned websites. You know what I mean. VPN using OpenVPN software. And in the second part of this video, which I would be uploading later, I will teach you how to use WireGuard to make your VPN instead of OpenVPN. So let's head over to our Linode account for this. I already have a Linode account. If you don't have it, you can sign up with Google or GitHub over here. So you can see already two Linodes I've built. Let's go head over here and click on create. Okay, so the first thing is I would go head over to marketplace and here I would search for OpenVPN. You can see it's available here. Click on it, choose a password. Now you need to choose an image. I would prefer Ubuntu over Debian. Now select a region for your Linode. For here I will be choosing London suppose, and as a Linode it won't require that much for a hefty system requirements, so I would choose a Nanode with shared GPU, sorry, CPU. Okay, so everything is filled up over here. Let's click on create Linode. So it's provisioning over here. I would prefer you to give it 5 minutes to complete the boot up. Till then, let's grab a coffee. Well, I am back after a cup of coffee, and as you can see the machine is running. Now the first thing that I would need to do is copy this. If you are on Windows, you can open PowerShell, or if you are on Linux on macOS, open the terminal, paste this, type yes, and now you need to enter the password which you had entered while making the Linode. You won't be able to see the password over here. Click on enter. Okay, so the machine is running. Now the first thing is I would make a second tab over here, copy this IP, this one, colon 943 slash admin. So 943 slash admin, it is the main page for OpenVPN. It is routing the IP from port 943 and opening the page for admin. Head over here to advanced and proceed. As you can see, you have got the OpenVPN login page, and now open the terminal and copy these commands. First, I would ask it, where is OpenVPN? So where is OpenVPN AS? Okay, so it has given me the location where OpenVPN is. I would copy it and now head over to there. This ls command is to see the directories or the files which are inside a directory. And now I need to open this file init.log, cat init.log. Yeah. Okay, so I need the password over here. Auto generated pass, this one. This one. First thing, do not copy the double quotes with it. Just copy the text. Username is OpenVPN by default, and password is the one which you just copied from the terminal. Click on sign in, and the terms and conditions, just skip it like everyone does.
बात तो सही है.
This is the admin panel for the OpenVPN server. Now you need to go to user management, user permissions, make a new user over here, allow auto login, and click over here on the more settings, set a password. Save the settings. Now you need to update the running server. Okay, so the new user has been added. Now head over here, see this link, copy this in the terminal or in the browser, and with the new user and the password that you had made, sign in over here. So if you are on Windows, you can download it over here. There are other options available for Linux, Android, iOS, etc. etc. You just need to click on profile management, and you just need to check both of these checkboxes and create. It would create this OVPN file over here. You just need to import it in the OpenVPN application, and it would add it over there. I would be sure to hide my IP address while showing this to you, because I don't want anyone to DDoS myself or my network. What you need to do is basically open OpenVPN after downloading it and import this file over there. Okay, so this machine was for London, UK. Okay, here I'm changing the name. So it is connected. Now to show you that it has really made a difference, I would hide the IP address. As you can see, this is the location. And now after turning on the VPN, let's check. Reloading it. You can see the ISP is now Linode in place of Reliance, and I am in the city London in the region England. Okay, so you have seen it working. It is basically the same for Android. You just need to copy the OpenVPN file over there, OVPN file, and then paste it in the OpenVPN app. You can download it from here. And now if you want, you can head over to this link and you can stop the VPN service. Okay, so this was how you can create your own VPN, and let's wrap it up over here. I would be uploading the part 2 within a week or two. So bye guys.